So in this video, I'll demonstrate my custom-built AI receipt extraction application. This tool automates the expense claim process by instantly scanning the receipt and letting users interactively chat with their extracted data to verify accuracy before submission. So basically, the tech stack and architecture I used is I'm using Oracle VBCS Redwood UI components to build the UI, as well as OCI Document AI to extract the data from the uploaded receipt, and also Groq conversational AI to communicate with the extracted data from the receipt. So coming to the flow, here is the flow. So user can interact with the VBCS application where he can securely upload the document. It can be PDF or JPG or PNG. So once the receipt has been uploaded, Oracle OCI AI processing will process this document and it gives the extracted data. So from this extracted data, we can do the conversation using Groq AI, Groq conversational API. So with this, we can check whether the details are good and the accuracy is good before submitting the claim. So coming to the application, so this is my application. I'll just preview it. So this is my application. This is step one. So user have to upload or capture the receipt. Currently, I am uploading the receipt from my local system. So now OCI will get called once once I submit this. It will call the OCI API to analyze the document and extract the details. So here we can see here it is the uploaded receipt, and here we can see the extracted data or extracted fields from the receipt. So we'll be getting a confidence score of the receipt by analyzing each and every row and value. So it gives us the confidence score, that is 96%, as you can see here. So apart from this, we are doing the raw extraction of the text. So whatever data we have on the receipt will be extracted into a raw text. And now coming to the conversation, here we can communicate with the receipt. Let's say if I want to know about the total amount, I'll just give a prompt saying that. So you can see it's $10. If I want to cross check, I can see $10. Let's say I want to just know how many items this particular bill is carrying. Just cross verify. So here we can see it has two items. Okay, what is the amount of those items? Let's say, yeah, you can see the combined amount of both the items. And also I can ask that give me the clear extracted data from the entire receipt. See, I can get all the details like store name, address, phone, and also store number, register, everything. Everything I can get. So by doing the conversation itself, I am able to fetch the data from the receipt. So it can be any receipt. So this receipt doesn't have any structure, so it can be any dynamic receipt here. So for further enhancements and use cases, we can automate the categorization, like using AI to instantly assign expenses to specific accounting buckets, like travel, meals, office supplies, etc. And we can also use this for fraud and duplicate detection, and also for ERP integration, or to check global currency and translations, advanced spending analytics, so many things. Thank you for your time.